See this banana? Brown, a little spotty, maybe a bit on the mushy side. Most people would see this and toss it straight in the trash. But what I see is a secret weapon for your house and garden. In fact, I see 5 of them. I'm about to show you how this forgotten fruit and its peel can give your plants a boost, treat your skin to an all-natural facial, shine up your leather, and even help you tackle some annoying household chores. So, before you even think about throwing that banana away, stick around. These 5 hacks will not only save you some money, but they'll also completely change how you think about food waste. You're holding a powerhouse of useful compounds, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use them. In my last video, I shared a simple trick to keep your bananas fresh for much longer. I'll leave the link in the description, so check it out if you missed it. Those tips really work. But don't worry if your bananas are already overripe or looking a little too soft, because in today's video, I'm going to show you some clever ways to put them to good use. So stay tuned. Alright, first up, we're going to turn these bananas into fantastic nutrient tea for your plants. The process is as simple as it gets. You'll need your bananas, some water, and a container. Just take your banana and peel them. Break them into smaller pieces into your container and mash them. Then add some water, making sure to leave a considerable amount of headspace. Cover with a lid or cling film and let it sit somewhere at room temperature, out of direct sun. You will follow a similar procedure for the banana peels. Cut your banana peels and pop them into a container. Fill the container with water so the peels are completely submerged. Then cover with a cling film and place in a cool place. Let the mixtures steep for about a week. It might not look pretty after a few days, but your plants are going to appreciate it. During this time, some of the nutrients from the banana and peels will leach into the water. This is what you will have after a week. After a week, take out the top part. We will use this later. Then strain the liquid. This liquid is nutrient-dense, and you want to dilute it a little to about 1 part of liquid to 5 parts of fresh water. Where are you watching me from? Let's connect from around the world. Comment your city or country in the comments. And we've made subtitles in different languages, so you can watch this video in the language that you are most comfortable with. And if you don't see your language, please notify us in the comments section, and we'll be sure to include that. You will follow a similar procedure for the banana peels. Strain the liquid and dilute. Dilution ensures that your plants receive a gentle dose of nutrients. Spray your prepared solution directly on your plants. Bananas and their peels are a great source of potassium, which is vital for flowering and fruiting, as well as overall plant health. They also contain magnesium and calcium, which contribute to plant strength and structure. After spraying, you can use the banana peels and flesh as fertilizer for your garden soil. From feeding our plants to feeding our skin. For our second hack, we're creating a simple, refreshing facial mask with that same overripe banana. Your skin will thank you for this little treat. The ingredients are probably already in your kitchen: 1 overripe banana and a tablespoon of raw honey. Here's how you make it. In a small bowl, mash the overripe banana into a smooth paste. The riper it is, the easier it is to mash. Next, stir in the honey and mix it all together. If you're enjoying this video and will love to see more helpful tips like this, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss anything I upload. And also hit the like button. It's a free way of supporting us. I know you will enjoy being here with all the helpful tips I will be uploading. A banana face mask can offer several potential benefits for your skin. It can help hydrate dry skin, remove dead skin cells, reduce the appearance of wrinkles and dark spots, and potentially soothe inflammation and kill bacteria associated with acne. And that's it. You can apply this mask to a clean, dry face, then wash it off with warm water after 15 to 20 minutes. For our next hack, we're tackling an unwelcome house guest: cockroaches. This is a DIY trap that uses their appetite against them. First, chop your banana peels into small sizes and place them in a container. Next, sprinkle a generous amount of detergent over the peels and give it a stir to make sure they're coated. Now, place these containers in spots where you've seen roaches, like under the sink or in dark corners. It's important to replace the bait every few days to keep it fresh. The idea is that the cockroaches are drawn to the sweet smell of banana as a food source. The secret weapon, however, is the detergent. When the pests consume the bait, the chemicals in the detergent are thought to be toxic to these roaches, which can help eliminate them. Get ready for hack number 4, because this one is pretty unexpected. Hack number 4 tackles light grease on your stovetop. Before you reach for a harsh chemical, grab that banana peel. Take the inside of the banana peel and rub it directly on the greasy spots, working in circles. You'll see the peel start to lift some of the grime. Let it sit for a minute, then wipe it all away with your damp cloth. The peel's fibrous texture provides a mild scouring action without scratching the surface, and its natural oils seem to help break down the greasy film, making it easier to wipe up. It's a great chemical-free solution for a quick cleanup. From shining our kitchen to shining our shoes. For our final hack, we're going to use a banana peel to shine up leather goods, like shoes or a handbag. All you need is the inside of a banana peel and a clean, soft cloth. Take the banana peel and rub the white, fleshy part all over the leather. You'll see it leaves behind a thin, moist layer. Let that sit for some minutes. This gives the natural oils in the peel a moment to work. Then, take your dry cloth and clean it. The inside of the peel has a gentle, fibrous texture that helps buff away grime, while the moisture and natural oils provide a temporary conditioning effect and a bit of a sheen. It's a fantastic, non-toxic trick for a quick touch-up. And that's a wrap. 5 clever hacks that turn an overripe banana from something you'd throw away into a useful resource for your home and garden. We've made a plant booster, a face mask, set a trap for pests, tackled grease, and shined shoes. Which of these hacks are you going to try first? Or maybe you have your own secret for using up overripe bananas. Let us know in the comments below. We always love learning from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.